We're back at the Whangarei Town Basin because tonight there's Christmas carols. You would have seen a glimpse of this band playing one of our previous Vlogmas episodes, and tonight they're over here and we can't wait to get in Christmas spirits. So we can't film too much because there's lots of people and kids running all around, but the vibe is so cool. All I need is a hot cup of coffee or a hot chocolate or something, and we'll bring that next time. Oh, and they also had bagpipes for 1 or 2 songs.
Enjoying the Christmas carols, and it's 8:15 p.m. Just in case.
It's 8:30 and I think they're playing their last song now. This was really nice.
Yeah, very cool.
The weather today was like rain, shine, rain, shine. So I'm so glad it stopped raining and we could actually come, because last week it got rained out.
Yeah, it was pouring.
And they have their Christmas carols here every Tuesday night. I think next Tuesday is the last one.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can come again next week.
Yeah.
It's 8:45, the Christmas carols are finished, but we're not ready to go home. So we saw on one of the Facebook pages that there's this Christmas light trail and they have streets in there that people decorated their houses. So we are going Christmas light hunting. Just planning our route here.
So for our Christmas lights tour, we'll start with the boat.
Starting now.
There's a Christmas tree on the top.
Aww. We realized that because it gets dark so late, we haven't really been out at night. We've been out at night, but not in the dark. So now we actually get to see all the town lights and the marina lights. It's really beautiful. I love it. I love lights. is the last one. Can't really see it from the street. It's almost 10 o'clock and we've been driving all over looking for Christmas lights. It was actually a lot of fun. I wish we had snacks in the car. We could have planned it better, but it was kind of spur of the moment. But it'd be nice to have a hot chocolate in the car, play Christmas music and have snacks while you drive around looking for Christmas lights. What did you think?
It's pretty cool. There's some really good looking houses with their lights. I'm very impressed.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Jokes, the video's not over. We found another house that wasn't on the list. Ooh, it looks pretty cool. Okay, now the video is done. Bye!
Bye!
This is where we got bit by flan size. What do you call it?
It's a
Christmas. I wanna